The Outrider Coyote is an electric off-road marvel tailored for adventurers. With 4 wheels, comfy semi-recumbent seating, and simple hand controls, it's designed to conquer rugged terrains effortlessly. Starting with a standard 2,000-watt 2-wheel drive setup, complete with independent suspension, the Coyote offers adaptability at its core. You can also upgrade to a 3,000-watt 2-wheel drive system with a live axle for a sportier ride, or opt for the powerhouse 5,000-watt 4-wheel drive model, perfect for conquering even the toughest trails. Equipped with a lithium-ion battery providing a range of up to 35 miles, extendable to a whopping 140 miles with extra packs, the Coyote ensures you'll never be left stranded. With the base model starting at $13,985, the Coyote offers an accessible entry point for those eager to embrace off-road adventures like never before. Meet the Halfbike II, a pedal-powered marvel that's like a Segway's energetic younger sibling. While the Segway may feel a bit dated and stationary, the Halfbike II injects excitement with its pedal power, allowing you to stay active while on the move. But it's not just looks, it enhances road presence and balance, engaging the body for a full workout. Foldable and urban-friendly, it's bus and train, desk and car-friendly. Meticulously handcrafted with an aluminum frame. Compact and portable at 110 centimeters tall, and folding to half this size, it weighs 8.2 kilograms. While slightly heavy for extended carrying, the joy of riding overshadows it. And speaking of joy, the Halfbike II promises endless fun on the go. So get ready to elevate your commute with the Halfbike II. Electric scooters have been gaining popularity in urban areas, but the MDT Mini takes things up a notch. This highly adaptable 4-wheel e-scooter is designed to tackle various situations, whether it's commuting in the city or exploring the great outdoors. Equipped with dual 1,000-watt rear-wheel motors and a 48-volt 30-amp-per-hour lithium battery, it can reach speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour and effortlessly conquers slopes with a 30-degree incline. With all-terrain 11-inch tires and a sturdy box-type stainless steel body, it delivers stability, traction, and durability on city streets, mountain trails, and sandy beaches. Plus, it's equipped with a cargo trailer for heavy loads and offers both sitting and standing riding positions for added comfort. Safety is paramount, which is why the MDT Mini features high-performance hydraulic disc brakes, dual front LED lights for visibility, and an IP6 waterproof rating for riding in various weather conditions. Looking for some good old-fashioned fun on the water? Meet the inflatable GoBoat 2.0, your ticket to leisurely cruises on local lakes or harbors. What sets the GoBoat 2.0 apart is that you can simply deflate it and stow it away in the trunk of your car. Made with GoBoat's proprietary air-core composite construction and featuring 3 separate air chambers, it's sturdy enough to bounce off docks or other boats without worry. Plus, you can detach the seat and use it as a chair on the beach for added versatility. Weighing just 57 pounds, the GoBoat is easy to carry and inflate with a hand pump. With 6 models available, ranging from the spacious Stealth at 70 inches in diameter for $1,175 to the kid-friendly Mini Vector at 55 inches for $683. There's a GoBoat 2.0 for every need. Afreda S6 draws inspiration from the design of a reversed 3-wheeled motorcycle, offering a versatile electric bike suitable for riders of all ages and situations, from daily commutes to family outings and adventure trips. Thanks to its innovative suspension system, the Afreda S6 can handle a 40-degree side deviation without tipping over ensuring safety and stability even during high-speed maneuvers or tight turns. Folding the bike is a breeze. Simply lift the seat cushion to fold the anodized 6061 aluminum alloy frame, aided by a special tail wheel to keep it upright during folding. This compact folding size makes it perfect for storing in a sedan trunk or carrying on public transportation. At first glance, the HAMYAK ATV might puzzle you with its wheelless appearance, but a closer look reveals the huge monotrack, making it one of the most unusual yet intriguing ATVs out there. Built by Russian designer Eduard Luzyanin, the HAMYAK, or Hamster, made its debut at the All-Terrain Vehicle Trophy 2020. Luzyanin's journey with the HAMYAK began with a prototype crafted from discarded vehicle parts, which quickly garnered attention and led to the creation of an improved version. Powered by a 150cc engine from a Chinese scooter and a 12-volt battery, the HAMYAK features a track from a Buran snowmobile and 3 pairs of shock-absorbing rollers. With a top speed of 26.7 miles per hour, though, Luzyanin advises caution above 12.4 miles per hour. There is no shortage of fun with the HAMYAK ATV. Meet the Pony 4, a full-suspension quad designed to revolutionize cycling by offering enhanced stability and transport capacity. It's perfect even for moms with kids or owners of large dogs, allowing you to travel with them anywhere you go. The Pony 4 comes standard with a 12-speed pinion C1.12 transmission, but you can opt for additional features like a hub or mid-drive Bafang motor for extra power. The hub motor option clearly positions the motor in the middle of the bike, acting as a mid-drive, providing more torque and making installation easier and more affordable. But that's not all. The Pony 4 offers variable length options, from a short personal version to a long truck for transporting large cargo. With a child-carrying modification currently in the works, the Pony 4 continues to evolve to meet the diverse needs of cyclists everywhere. Introducing the DC Universal e-TRIKE, your ultimate urban cruising companion and your hassle-free morning commute solution. Forget about pedaling. This e-TRIKE offers self-propelled power for a smooth ride. With a fully rechargeable battery that can be juiced up in just 4 hours, you can travel up to 30 miles on a single charge. Need to charge your devices on the go? No problem. The built-in USB port has you covered. Safety is a top priority with the DC Tri, thanks to its low center of gravity, which ensures a stable and virtually untippable ride. So whether you're cruising the streets or zipping through your morning commute, the DC Tri offers a convenient, eco-friendly, and stylish ride every time. Say goodbye to sweating and dirt stains on your clothes, as the JIVR bike offers all the benefits of cycling without the usual hassles. The JIVR bike's heart is its state-of-the-art mechanical chainless drive, seamlessly integrated into the frame for a hassle-free and maintenance-free riding experience. But here's the best part. Even if the battery runs out or you're in the mood for a workout, you can still use it as a regular pedal bicycle. Worried about bike theft? Fear not. The JIVR bike folds up effortlessly in 4 ergonomic moves, making it compact enough to wheel into your building and store under your desk. Weighing less than 15 kilograms, and with the battery built in, it's a breeze to transport and store. FlyKly, the brains behind the Smart Wheel, is back with another innovative creation, the Smart Ped. This portable electric assist kick bike offers speeds of up to 16 miles per hour and a range of up to 30 miles on a single charge, depending on your kicking effort. There's no throttle or activation button. Simply kick and let the electric motor do the rest. With each kick, the scooter automatically propels you forward, rolling along for up to a few minutes at the speed you've reached through your leg power, maxing out at 16 miles per hour. Weighing just 11 kilograms and primarily made from steel, the Smart Ped is lightweight and durable. Its kick assist is powered by an all-in-one electric motor based on FlyKly's Smart Wheel technology, with a lithium-ion battery integrated into the rear wheel. Charging takes approximately 3 hours. Imagine the freedom of exploring the open water without the hassle of transporting a traditional kayak. Would be amazing, right? Well, meet the Hypar folding kayak, an ingenious solution that combines portability with performance. Rivaling its hard-shell counterparts, this modular smart boat weighs less than 20 pounds and can be easily carried as a backpack before transforming into a fully functional kayak for rowing, sailing, or even as a solar-powered motorboat. Crafted from a custom polypropylene material adapted to marine conditions, the Hypar stows effortlessly in your vehicle or can be checked as luggage at the airport for your next adventure. Constructed from pre-folded sheets of honeycomb-structured corrugated polypropylene, the Hypar boasts exceptional durability, capable of withstanding at least 20,000 folding cycles without leaking. Interested in owning one? Well, you can get one on Amazon for just $750 US. Meet the Ninebot Kick Scooter F651. This sleek and modern scooter is designed to make your journey enjoyable and effortless, with a top speed of 25 km per hour and unique features that set it apart. With an impressive range of up to 65 kilometers and large pneumatic tires, you can comfortably navigate the city and explore new routes with ease. Safety is paramount, and the built-in indicators ensure that you are visible to others, enhancing your peace of mind while riding. Equipped with an upgraded battery capacity of 551 watt-hours, you can recharge it in just 5 hours, extending your riding pleasure and allowing you to join friends and family after work without worrying about battery life. And with rear-wheel drive, the Ninebot F651 offers a stable driving experience, giving you the freedom to explore your surroundings with confidence. In 2017, the KO1 monowheel scooter made waves with its unique design, offering a range of 20 miles at a top speed of 20 miles per hour. Now, the KO1 Plus is here to take things to the next level. Featuring LG battery cells integrated into the handlebar stem, the KO1 Plus delivers an impressive 25 miles of range on just 1 hour of charge. With a 1,000-watt hub motor, it reaches a top speed of 12 miles per hour. Slightly slower than its predecessor, but still zippy enough for most riders. Plus, it's equipped to tackle 30% inclines with ease. Its chunky tire is ready for any terrain, while shock suspension ensures a smooth ride over bumps. Thanks to Kawano's AutoDeck smart control system, riding is straightforward. Simply step on the slip-resistant foot pegs, lean forward, and you're off. Priced at just $1,299 US, the KO1 Plus is now available, promising an exhilarating ride whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road terrain. Looking for a compact city commuter vehicle? Look no further than the Yike Bikes, a stylish and fun option for urban travel. The Model C and Model V offer over 12 miles of range on a single charge, with speeds reaching up to 14.3 miles per hour. With their oversized front-wheel design and bold color choices, riding a Yike Bike is guaranteed to turn heads and make a statement. But what happens when you run out of power? No worries, simply fold up the Yike Bike and hop on a taxi or public transport to continue your journey hassle-free. Visibility is key when navigating city streets, and the Yike Bike's lights ensure you're seen from hundreds of meters away, enhancing safety and awareness for both you and other road users. Easy to learn and ride, it's perfect for those moments when you need to quickly reach a meeting, catch public transport, or navigate busy streets with ease. Introducing the DYU T1 foldable electric bike with torque sensor, a game changer in urban commuting. Designed for ease of use in tight city spaces, this foldable e-bike boasts a smart torque sensor that extends battery life and enhances ride experience, making it intuitive and effortless. Equipped with a removable lithium-ion battery and anti-theft device, the DYU T1 ensures convenient charging and safeguards battery security. Its front and rear disc brakes, paired with a Shimano 7-speed transmission, offer superior control and a smooth ride on various road surfaces. Enhanced comfort and handling are achieved through an adjustable seat and suspension seat post, while the lighter magnesium alloy body provides improved shock absorption for a safer and more comfortable ride. Plus, with its futuristic frame design and bright headlight for nighttime visibility, the DYU T1 stands out in style and safety.